Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can lock elements in your whiteboard presentations on Miro.com. So let us dive right into this. So what you want to do, guys, is navigate to your board. Let me go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. Let me zoom out a bit. So what you want to do is left click into the given element. May it be a text box or a shape or any other item or element you have added to your whiteboard presentation. And what you want to do next, guys, is simply right click into it and select lock, or you may use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+L. You may also click into these three dots here and do the same. So as you can see, I clicked into lock, and now I can't do anything with that element here. I can't edit, move it, do anything with it. If you left click into it, guys, you will see that menu here popping up, long press to unlock. So let us do that. And there you go. So click into that button here for a brief moment, and that is going to unlock the given element so that you may customize and edit it again. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we catch you later.